Very close game here, as you would expect in a national championship. London Central has 200 points. UTS has 260. We move on to our third round of questions, and we begin, as always, with a series of open questions on bird skeletons this time. Here's the preamble. In which part of a bird, specifically the pigeon, are the following bones found? The hyoid apparatus. Philip.
The throat? Neck,
yes, we'll take that. Yes, the neck or the throat, 10 points. The tibiotarsus. Connor.
The wing?
It's not the wing for UTS. Rain?
The foot.
No, I'm looking specifically for the leg. The carpometacarpus. Rain.
The wing.
The wing is right. And the tarsometacarpus.
The foot?
The foot is right there. Got a series of mathematical questions for you. They'll be up on the screen. Multiply the following binomials. We can take a look at. Quinn.
Y squared minus 2y minus 8.
Is incorrect
Minus
for
6y
UTS.
plus 8.
UTS?
Do I have it? Sorry, I can't see. I am. Okay, sorry about that. Y squared minus 6y plus 8.
Correct. Put that on the screen. Our next equation, x minus 8, x plus 12 for Philip.
X squared plus 4x minus 96.
Correct. 2x minus Philip.
4x squared plus 4x minus 3.
Correct. And one more. 7xy. Quinn.
49x squared.
For UTS?
49x squared minus 81y squared.
Is right for 10 points. 30-point open question now on Classic Reach. These are all questions taken from the Reach for the Top home game from 1963. So let's go on with our first question for 10 points. In which country did the gavotte dance originate? Thomas.
France.
France is right for 10. How many pounds does an imperial gallon of water weigh? Thomas.
2.
It is not 2 for London Central. Connor?
2.2?
No, it's 10 in this case. And finally, what European city is sometimes known as the City of Seven Hills? Philip?
Rome.
Rome is right for 10 points. 40-point open question now on deserts. Given the description of a desert, name that desert. This is a 350,000 square mile desert that covers a large portion of South Africa. Quinn
Kalahari?
is right, and Southwest Africa, Kalahari is correct. This is a 600-mile-long desert in northern Chile. Rain.
The Atacama Desert.
One of the driest in the world, Atacama, is correct. Next one, this is a large desert in Sudan, stretching to Philip.
Oh, the Sahara Desert?
Finish the question. Stretching from the Red Sea to the Nile River, London Central. No answer? Connor.
Darfur?
No, it's the Nubian Desert. And finally, this is a 500,000 square mile desert that covers most of Mongolia. Connor.
The Sahara.
No, it's not the Sahara for UTS. Rain.
The Gobi Desert.
Gobi Desert is right. 40-point open question now on desserts. First you had deserts, now you have desserts.
So clever, Richard. So
Very, especially for the person that wrote these, so, which was not me. The Schwarzwälder Kirschelt is a proper German rain.
Black Forest cake.
Proper German name of what popular type of cake? Black Forest cake is right for 10 points. Again, what common dessert ingredient covers the ice cream in baked Alaska? Quinn.
Icing?
No, it's not icing for UTS. Rain.
Sugar.
We're looking for meringue. Meringue. What dessert made of a meringue covered with whipped cream to Quinn?
Pie?
I'll finish the question. Covered with whipped cream and fruit was named in honor of a famous ballerina for UTS. Rain?
A flan.
No, pavlova. And finally, the liqueur called Kirsch is usually set afire as part of what famous dessert? Philip.
Crepe flambe.
And it's not crepe flambe for London Central.
Crepe Suzette?
No, Cherry's Jubilee. Cherry's Jubilee, what we were looking for. Third round ends with the shootout questions. Questions are individual in nature. The first team to have all 4 players of their team answer a single question correctly in the shootout wins the shootout and gets 40 points. Players, if you're ready, no consultation amongst any of you. Here we go. What African mammal kills the most humans each year? Quinn.
Hippo?
Is right. Quinn, you can take you're out. Jim Balsillie is the founder, Connor,
Research in Motion?
of the company that makes BlackBerry products called what? Research in Motion is correct. Connor, you're out. Numbering over 50 billion worldwide, what is the world's most common rain?
Fruit fly.
Finish the question. Most common bird, wild or domestic for London Central. Grace?
Pigeon?
No, chicken in this case. What mammal has the most teeth, commonly... Megan, sorry.
The human.
I'll finish the question. Commonly having 260 in its mouth, UTS? Philip.
An elephant.
No, a dolphin. What is the easternmost U.S. state? And that's going to Philip.
Maine.
Maine is right. Philip, you're out. Which 3 states make up the largest island of the British Isles? Rain.
Wales, Scotland, and England.
Correct. Rain, you're now out. Megan and Grace left in London Central. Thomas and Jenny for UTS. All 3 were English authors. What is the first name of the... Thomas.
Charlotte, Emily, and Anne.
I will finish the question. What is the first name of the sister of Charlotte and Emily Bronte? Grace.
Catherine?
Anne is what we were looking for. What group of people is formed from a larger group called a veneer? A veneer. Going to Thomas?
A troop.
It's not a troop for London Central. Grace.
A circus?
A jury. What pale brown shark shares its name with a type of...
A tiger shark.
I'll finish the question with a type of fruit. Grace.
Kiwi shark?
Lemon shark. What precious commodity is usually found in a rock called kimberlite?
Diamonds.
Timons is right. Thomas, you're out. Jenny, you're the only one left on UTS. Grace and Megan still for London Central. What was Plato's name for an ideal society of universal happiness?
Utopia.
Finish the question. Based on personal achievement. Jenny?
Meritocracy.
No, eudaimonia. And next question. What spinning tool is composed of a headstock and a tailstock? Grace?
Spinning wheel?
No. For Jenny?
A loom.
A lathe is what we were looking for. That's unfortunately the end of the 12 questions. No points at all for the shootout. The score at the end of the third round, London Central with 220 points, UTS with 370. We'll be back with final snappers in this championship game in just a moment.